Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's see a problem on functions and their inverses, which is asked in the IGCSE Board of Examination. Okay, let's see the question. F of x is equal to 5x minus 2. G of x is equal to 7 x minus 3. So defined for x not equal to 3. H of x equal to 2x squared plus 7x. We have to find as a part A as f of 2 and h g of 70. Initially, we can start with the part A and part 1. That is a part A, subpart 1. Okay. Shall we start? Yeah. So, f of 2. We can take the function f and substitute 2 for x. 5 times 2 is 10 minus 2, 8. This would be the answer for f of 2. Now we can go for h of x. H, what is the g of x? It is 7 by x minus 3. Then apply the h, that is 2 of x square, that is 7 over x minus 3 the whole square, plus 7 times 7 by x minus 3. Shall we substitute 17 over here? Hg of 17 equals to 7 by 14 minus 7 minus 17 minus 3 whole square. 7 times 7, 14 minus 17 minus 3. Now we have to substitute x as 17. Okay, 17 minus 3 whole square plus 7, 7 by 17 minus 3. Now what we have to do? We have to simplify this expression. Is it? Yes. 17 times 7 times 7 is 49. In denominator 14 times 14 is okay, 7. 7 by 14. Shall we simplify? Yes, we can. 7 and 14 are cancel each other. Then this 14 and this are cancel each other. 7. This and this are cancel each other too. So this also 2. So 2 and 2 are get cancel each other. So we have 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. So Hg of 17 equal to 4. Okay. Shall we move on to part B? Yes. G of x is equal to x plus 3. What is the value of g of x? 7 over x minus 3 equal to x plus 3. We have to solve this problem. So x plus 3 times x minus 3. What would be the value of x plus 3 times x minus 3? Yes, x square minus 3 square, which is 9. So 7 plus 9 equal to x square, which is 16. So we have to take square root on both sides, that is x is equal to plus or minus square root of 16, which is plus or minus 4. So x takes both the value plus 4 and minus 4, in which g of x is equal to x plus 3. Okay. Shall we move on to part C? Yeah. Part C is something tedious like question, but we can easily working out without calculate. Okay. Shall we proceed? Yes, we can proceed. F h of x. F h of x, that is f is composite with h. Shall we proceed first? H of x is 2x squared plus 7x. Then 5 times we have to apply this new x into the old f of x. 2x square plus 7x minus 2. Let's distribute 5 with 2x squared plus 7x. That is 10x square plus 35x minus 2. We have to solve 10x square plus 35x minus 2 equal to 11. 10x square plus 35x minus 2 minus 11 equal to 0. 10x square plus 35x minus 13 equal to 0. Let's solve this using quadratic equation, quadratic formula. B minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, shall we count? Yeah. Minus 35 plus or minus 35 squared value is 125. 4 times 13 is 52, so 520 divided by 20. Okay. How I can get 1225 immediately without calculator, shall we see? Okay. 35 square. Can we write 35 as 30 plus 5 whole square? We know the formula. 30 square plus 2 times 30 into 5 plus 5 square. Let's calculate. 3 into 3, 9. So 10 into 10, 100. So 900. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 300. And 5 5s are 25. So 1225. In this way, we can easily find the value of 35 square. Now we have to see 520, its nearest square. That's 520 is between which of the perfect square number. Okay. Now let's see with 40 square. 4 was a 16, so 1600. One moment. Sorry. Yeah. Just we can go see for 520. 520 is between which and which of the perfect square number. We have to find a perfect square number. 1 minute. 520 is in between some square number. We have to find such x and y in order to solve easily with the square root of 1225 plus 520. Okay. Shall we proceed like what would be the 35 square plus square plus square. Okay, shall we proceed in the other way? 1 minute. Let's add up the 1225 and 520. What would be the value we got? Just add 1225, 520, 5, 7, 5, 4, 7, 1, 1745. Now we can check with the 40 square. 40 squared is 1600. So 41 squared would be 40 plus 1 the whole square. Like the way we can solve 1600 plus 2 4s are 8, 80 plus 1. So 1681. So then 42 we can also find 42 in the same way. 1600. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 160 plus 2 2s are 4. So 1764. So 1745 is in between 41 and 42 square. Okay. Let's check with the 41 because it is simply we can take the below number. It's 41 for approximate value. So 35 plus or minus, which is approximate to square root of 41 square by 20. Shall we solve? That is, first we can take the plus value 41 by 20, that is 6 divided by 20, then zero point 0.3 I guess, then 1606, okay, 20, when we divided by 20 is, yes, it is zero point 0.3, then minus 35 minus 41 divided by 20, that is minus 6 minus 76 divided by 20, then 3 twos are 3 20s are 60, then balance 1 6 1 6, yeah, 1 6 and 160. So 8 times 20 is 160. So answer must be two values. What are the values? One is 3 minus 3.8 and one is 0 0.3. Like the way, if the question is not asked to use a calculator, we can approximate by this way. Okay. Then move on to the part D. Part D is to find f inverse of x. It is easy way. Let's take y is equal to f of 5x minus 2 and interchange the variable, and we can easily write up the function y equal to in terms of x. Okay. 1 by 5 x plus 2 equal to y. This is the inverse function of f. Now we have to find f inverse of 5, g inverse of x initially. So g inverse of x, let's take first y equal to 7 minus x minus 3, and we can interchange the variable y minus 3, and we write the variable like the way, we write the function like the way 7 by x plus 3 we got. So this is a g inverse of x. So g inverse of x equal to 0 0.5. We have to find the x value. Okay. 7 by x plus 3 minus 0 0.5. Then we have to subtract 3 on both sides. We get minus 3.5 at the right side. And 7 is equal to minus 3.5 times x, and then 7 by 3.5 equal to x. We got 7 by 2, 7 7 cancel each other, x is equal to minus 2 equal to x. Okay, shall we check once again? Yeah, shall we check with from the answer? Yeah, minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, sorry, one moment. 35 5 7 by x plus 3. We have to subtract 3 on both sides. We get minus 3.5, and interchange the x by cross multiplying x and 3.5. 3.5 is coming to the denominator, and we have minus 7, and the 3.5 is also written as 7 by 2, and then we can get not negative 1 by 2, it is negative 2, because 3.5 can be written as 7 by 2, and interchange the denominator, we can get negative 2. Okay, so the answer for this equation is 2, that is a negative 2. For x is equal to negative 2, we get the function as g inverse of x equal to negative 0.5. Okay. In this problem, we have learned about as a part A, just function value at some point and composition function value at some point. And part B, we have to solve the equation. And then part C, we have to solve the equation, but in terms of approximation without using the calculator. Then part D is the inverse function. Then part E, solve the inverse function equation. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.